Please don't be ugly. Oh my god! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise, for those of you that don't know me yet. And today I have a really interesting video. As you can see, I look like trash. So today we're going to do a transformation video. So if you want to see how I turn this into this, just keep on watching. So I went ahead and washed my hair. Now I'm taking a little snack. Today I used the Day Deep Conditioning Treatment. It was amazing. I washed my face with the Youth to the People cleanser, and I used the Farmacy Honeymoon Potion mask. Oops. And now I'm wetting my hair again because I got a little dry. And I'm using my coconut water spray from Mercier. It's amazing. And for leave-in, I'm using the straightening and restore from Shea Moisture. This is my favorite, my total favorite. It kind of smells like Play-Doh, but my hair loves it. Next, I'm using the Curls Pineapple Leave-In. And then taking my paddle brush to make sure the product is distributed all over the hair. And after this, I'm going to brush outwards, that way the curl pattern can come up. Then I'm taking the Aussie Miracle Curls mousse. It's still puffy, I love it. And I'm just going to scrunch my hair with it so it could hold. Then I remembered I forgot to take my vitamins. So I'm taking hair vitamins and I'm taking vitamin C. This pill is huge. I feel like this.
Barnacles, I hate the pill.
And then it reminded me of the episode that Squidward got a fork stuck in his neck. Next, I'm taking my Ole Hendricksen Dark Spot Toner. This is amazing. And my Primera Essence because skincare is important. Now I'm using the Tatcha Stick serum. This is kind of weird, but it's very hydrating. And then applying my Qms Eye Cream because don't forget, need hydration everywhere. Now I'm applying my moisturizer, which is my Ultra Repair Cream. When I'm telling you guys this saved my skin, I'm not even lying. It's so good. Also, don't forget to keep your lips hydrated. I also like using the Glow Recipe Hydrating Mist. It's amazing. And I'm going to prime my face with my Milk Hydrogrip primer. And I'm going to start scrubbing up my brows with my Pretty Vulgar concealer and a flat brush. This is actually the first time I used the Anastasia brow pomade. So first I start by brushing my brows up and I start filling in with the pomade. Next is foundation. So I'm using my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is me looking at it and thinking that it's light. And I'm using the iconic London liquid highlighter with this. This was a really nice combination because my skin looks really glowy and healthy. I'm also going to highlight with the same concealer I used before under my eyes, center of my forehead, chin, all that jazz. And I'm also going to leave everything I used in this video in the description box below. And this is my happy dance because it came out nice. I'm going to use my Mercier translucent powder just to set under my eyes and also to the little thingy under your contour that just makes it look better. I don't know the name, but you're going to see. For this look, I chose the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I took 3 of the medium brown shades, blended it on my crease, just to create some dimension. And I am adding a gold shade on my lid. This was the tricky part. I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm using that as my eyeliner just so it could look a little bit more smoky, if it makes sense. And this is more of like the Arabic liner, so I'm just gonna create that line in the inner corner. So cute. And now I'm just lining my lower lash line. And now that we're finished with the eyes, I'm just gonna blend in all that powder I had under my eyes and on my cheeks and add some more just to set the foundation. And guys, don't laugh, but I love my Fenty Beauty bronzer. So I'm just gonna add that to the house on my cheek, the sides of my forehead, and my jawline. And using my Nars Blush just to add some color to the face. Always make sure everything is blended. Now with my Becca highlighter, I'm going to spray my brush with my setting spray. And I'm going to add a little bit of highlighter to my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and I like doing my chin as well. Oh, go ahead, spray it, spray it. And I'm going to take my Makeup Forever lip liner and the color is 608 and just, bring some shade to my lips. I'm going to pair that with my Anastasia lipstick in the shade Buff, just in the center. This is me already feeling myself and trying to figure out what I'm forgetting. And it was my mascara. This is NARS Climax. I'm going to put in my top and lower lashes. And for lashes, I'm using the Lily Lashes in Monaco. And guys, this is the finished look. I was in love. I was trying to do something new. I usually like staying with colors, but this is more of a neutral look. I love the liner detail. So if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, or you want to see a tutorial for this makeup, let me know. And subscribe to my channel, don't forget. And don't forget to leave a like. And this is it for this video. See you next time.